Hey, everyone! Have you ever found yourself struggling to manage your money effectively while living on a tight budget? If so, you're not alone. Today, I'm going to share some valuable tips on how you can manage your money like a pro even when resources are limited. Managing money like a pro doesn't necessarily require a hefty income. It's all about making smart choices and being disciplined with your finances. One of the biggest challenges people face when trying to manage their money on a budget is overspending, not saving enough, or simply not having a clear budgeting plan in place. To tackle these challenges, it's essential to create a budget plan that outlines your income and expenses. Tracking your expenses is crucial to understand where your money is going and where you can cut back. Setting financial goals, whether it's saving for a vacation or building an emergency fund, can help you stay motivated and focused on your financial objectives. Additionally, finding ways to save money, like meal prepping or shopping during sales, can make a significant difference in your budget. Now, here comes the key moment: discipline and consistency. These two factors play a vital role in effective money management. By sticking to your budget, avoiding unnecessary expenses, and consistently saving, you can witness a positive impact on your financial well-being. Remember, every penny saved adds up in the long run. In conclusion, managing money wisely, even with limited resources, is possible with the right mindset and strategies in place. By being proactive and intentional with your finances, you can achieve your financial goals and secure a stable financial future. I encourage you to share your own tips for managing money on a budget in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more money management tips and tricks. Together, we can take control of our finances and build a brighter financial future. Thank you for watching.